Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we are doing a destination video and we are in Marquette, Kansas, and we're going to go to the Kansas Motorcycle Museum. So let's roll the intro and let's get inside. So when you first walk into the museum, you're greeted by a wall of trophies. There are over 600 trophies on display. All of these were won by Stan Engdahl on his 1957 Harley-Davidson 750 KR. I had the privilege of knowing Stan from the mid to late 1990s, and the building was in a period of transition back then. Stan had closed up his TV and radio repair shop that occupied this location and was in the midst of collecting items to be displayed in his vision of a museum. Now, from here on out, I don't believe I'm going to add too much more commentary, maybe a little bit here and there about some of my favorite pieces. But let's go through the museum and let's just enjoy what this museum has to offer. Now, I did have to start with a walk around of Stan's bike. I would encourage you to pause and read the placard and just admire on how he was able to do so much with so little. Okay, this is where I got to break in. I love this Henderson motorcycle. I mean, look at the uniqueness of this thing. Four inline cylinders. And that was trademark for Henderson if you saw the older ones. And I thought that was just so super unique. And Indian tried it as well. And there's, you see their four-cylinder apparatus. And as I circle around to the other side of the Indian, you see what looks like an automotive distributor. And I thought that was just so cool. Not to mention that leaf spring for the front suspension that you saw on those Indians back then as well. But yeah, there it is. There's the distributor. I was just like, wow. I guess my point to thinking that was so cool is why did we get away from being innovative? At what point did we decide V-twins had to be our signature engine? Why couldn't have we stayed inventive and innovative? Just a thought. Now we're coming into what was absolutely my favorite piece in the museum. This beautiful, beautiful Electra Glide. I love the chrome. I love the colors. That red popped. The white. The early hard bags. All of it. That big, huge seat. I loved everything about this bike. Okay, y'all, I'm going to go ahead and start wrapping this video up here, but I just want to would ask you that you would share this video. I would like to see more foot traffic come through this little museum in Marquette, Kansas, the Kansas Motorcycle Museum once again. If you find yourself traveling and you happen to see signs for it on the interstate, do drop in. These guys are very friendly, they're very knowledgeable, they have a lot of stories and a lot of history to tell. Also, the museum is free, by the way. They do ask for a $7 free will donation at the door, but I don't think that's a really big problem for as much history is in this building. Also, I will be leaving a link to the museum's webpage down in the description below. And yeah, I hope to see you guys out here. Do come back next week as I'll be in Marquette again for something else. In the meantime, you all be good and stay safe out there.